Hi, I'm Steve, one of the co-founders of Wild and Game. Did you know that a huge amount of CO2 is produced by the UK meat industry per year? It's driving deforestation, it's driving degradation, and it's simply unsustainable.
But there is an environmentally friendly and delicious food source right here on our own doorstep. Wild game is in abundant supply and can be effectively managed to protect woodland and enable rewilding. It's a sustainable solution that's responsibly sourced with no pesticides, no antibiotics, no fertilizer, and a minimal carbon footprint. It's big on taste and kind to the planet.
Venison and game has long been seen as an exotic meat, but it's so much more than that. We want to showcase its huge potential to the general public, and we've been very successful so far.
We started off in 2017 as a wholesale company, and indeed, that part of our business is still thriving. But when COVID hit in April 2020, we pivoted to direct to consumer. This change enabled us to spread our message more rapidly and more effectively, leading to significant growth.
In our first 14 months after launch, we achieved £1 million in revenue. It only took us another 8 months to achieve our second million. And just 5 months later, we hit our third million. How's that for growth?
We've now shipped over 40,000 orders and have an enviable 4.7 stars on Trustpilot, on over 3,700 reviews.
A large number of our first-time buyers are brand new to game and have found us because they want to eat healthier or because they're looking for an environmentally friendly replacement for meat. And you may be surprised to hear that our website is visited most by 25 to 34-year-olds, with an even split of male and female.
Our experience has shown that once a customer tries us, they are likely to stick with us, not only because of our focus on quality, but also because of our ethics and the great story we tell of a sustainable, environmentally friendly food source, which is right here in our own countryside.
We've also seen rapid growth in our wholesale division, with a 300% increase in sales during our last financial year. We are now stocked in Co-op Midlands, and we're in talks with other major retailers.
The UK meat market alone is worth £6.8 billion, and with the value of the meat alternative market in the UK worth £754 million in 2019, we believe there's an ever-growing appetite for environmentally friendly food, as already demonstrated by companies such as Beyond Meat, Impossible Foods and Oatly.
Although we've made some amazing progress since we launched way back in 2017, our biggest constraint right now is the fulfilment of orders. In fact, we've had to limit the number of orders we take to ensure we can meet existing demand from our regular customers. Of course, we want to address this, so we've now secured a location where we'll build our own frozen fulfilment warehouse to allow us to continue our expansion.
With the funds we raise in this round, we'll be ramping up a whole range of marketing activities to fuel further growth. And because we outsource all of our production, we can keep our overheads low and focus heavily on customer acquisition.
We're incredibly lucky to have a great team with proven expertise, including food entrepreneurs who have grown businesses from nothing to 9-figure exits, right through to Michelin star inspectors.
At Wild and Game, we don't just see ourselves as a company that is reinventing the game market, but more of a company that is showcasing the enormous benefits of this amazing food source. If we could get every meat eater in the UK to replace just one meal a week with game, then we could save the environment a huge amount of CO2.
We care about our world and we're passionate about operating sustainably. So please, join us on our mission to bring nutritious, low-fat wild game back to the UK. Thank you.